Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a comparison of the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation, also the new NARS Soft Matte Full Coverage Foundation, you guys. I want to put it to the test. I want to see which one is the best. So before we get into the video, you guys, make sure you guys go right now, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. And if you have not already yet checked out your girl's hair extension line, make sure you guys go right now and check me out at BossyLuxe Hair. The hair extensions that I had in previously, you guys, were in for about 3 weeks, so the hair is total bomb. So you need to go right now, put your email in so you can get that coins off, 10% off of your purchase. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. So I am currently in the middle of doing 2 videos in one day. So I wanted to go ahead, and while I've already had my eyeshadow makeup look for the first video, wanted to go ahead and put these foundations to the test, because these are 2 of my favorite products, you guys, and I absolutely love it. So first and foremost, before we actually test out these products, I wanted to kind of go over each product. If you do not know, or if you are new to my channel, if you do not know about the products, I wanted to kind of give you an overview of both of the foundations and stuff, and then we're going to put it to the test to see which one is the best. So let's start with Morphe, you guys. So this Morphe foundation, like I said, it is a full coverage foundation, you guys. It comes in about 60 shades. It retails for $18. So it's more of a drugstore price, really cheap, honestly. So this foundation is supposed to be a long-wearing full coverage foundation that's supposed to oxidize within to the skin, you guys. So that could be a good thing, or that could be a bad thing in most cases, but it is 24-hour long wear foundation, sweat proof, transfer resistant proof, water resistant, free from oils, fragrance, and parabens. And it's also great for all skin types, especially oily skin. Like if you have oily skin like me, you know, sis, it is hard to find a good foundation for oily skin. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about more of the NARS foundation, you guys. Alright, you guys, so the NARS foundation, it comes in this cute, sleek, chic bottle. It's almost similar to the Morphe bottle. Literally, it's almost the same, but this is more puffier. It has more of a chicness to it. It's put more time and effort and put more into this bottle itself. But it comes in 34 shades, you guys, okay? First and foremost, so way less shades than the Morphe, okay? For way more cost. This actually retails for $40, you guys. It is a soft matte, full coverage, natural looking matte foundation. So it is supposed to give you more of that matte, you know, natural looking foundation, so it will not be oxidizing into the skin, which can be a great thing if you want like a more of a natural look to your face. I mean, not everybody wants to have a cakey face all day long. This is a 16-hour wear as well, you guys, and again, it's a buildable foundation, oil-free, oxidation-resistant, shine-proof, transfer-proof too as well, okay? Humidity-proof, sweat-proof, and it protects from the pollution of the blue light. So they have similar qualities, you guys. I really don't see too much of a difference, and that's why I wanted to test them out to see which one was the best. Was the more expensive one gonna be the best, or is it gonna be more of these Morphe, the cheaper one is gonna be the best? So let's go ahead and put them to the test, you guys. Alright, you guys, so on this side, we are going to do the Morphe. Morphe is going to be here, you guys. NARS is going to be on this side. Now, I do have like a little bit of spots here. You guys can see that on both sides. So that way, I want to see if either one is going to cover up these spots. Like, or which one covers the best, or are they both the best? Like, are they both the best? Thumbnail. Are they both the best, you guys? So, let's go ahead and check it out. Now, for the shades that I got them in, this one I got in a 440. This one I got in Marquise, which is a medium deep, you guys. So just in case you guys want to know if you guys are my skin tone, or you like, you know, I don't want to get, okay, this is what I got. All right, you guys, so we're going to use a damp beauty blender, as I use in every video, to go ahead and apply the Morphe. And I'm honestly just going to use like about that much, you guys. And I'm going to turn over just a little, you guys, to the side, and we're just going to go over like any of those spots. What I'm looking for, you guys, is I want to see if it's going to really give me like that full coverage. You know what I mean? Like, is it really going to cover up the spots there? because I absolutely love this Morphe foundation, you guys. Like, both of them are my favorite. Oh, you guys, look at that. I don't even have it all the way blended in, but look at that right there, you guys. Like, amazing. Okay, and you have to work quickly with this, because that's why I use a damp beauty blender, because you know it'll dry quickly, then you'll have to go all over it and you don't want it to look blotchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that out, you guys, and then we're gonna move over to the other side with NARS. I am at all with this right now. I am at all with it. Just look at that. Didn't put any concealer to hide, no orange corrector or anything right there, you guys. And literally, just look at that foundation. That is amazing. $18, drugstore. Yeah. Let's move over to the other side, you guys, to the more expensive brand, so that you guys can actually see exactly what it's doing. And I'm gonna use, ooh, okay. I'm gonna use this part of my sponge, you guys, because I don't want to mix products. I want to give you guys my honest opinion on each foundation. And if you want to shop it and purchase it yourself, you at least know which one you want, sis. So again, you guys, I have some spots. I have like a beauty mole here, you know, and a little bit of just tiny spots here. You can see them, but I mean, I want to see if it's gonna cover it up, so. Wow. Oh my God. You guys. Okay, first and foremost, do you guys see that? Do you guys see where it just automatically covered the whole spots that I had on my face? The mole and all. The mole and all. Like, wow. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know. This is amazing. They're both great products to have in your makeup bag for sure. So you guys, I'm actually gonna finish my face up right now. I'm gonna do it with the Morphe, you guys. I'm gonna finish it up with the Morphe, and then I'm gonna come back and give you my honest review, my honest opinion on the actual product itself. All right, you guys, so with the foundations, the Morphe and then the NARS, I actually went ahead and I put the Morphe foundation on my face, you guys, and I let it sit. It's been sitting for about maybe 15 minutes, and it just looks absolutely stunning. Like, honestly, both of these foundations are perfect. If you're looking for more of an inexpensive, you know, amazing foundation, this is your route to go. Only $18, and actually right now, you guys, it's on sale for $9 on their website. So I'd head over there right now and pick you up some. They have it where you can match up your shade on the website for both options. For the NARS, it's more expensive. So if you really are like, I cannot afford this NARS, $40 is too much for me right now, definitely go with the Morphe. If you are, sis, if you can afford the NARS is another great option for you for more of a softer, natural, more look. And I did reviews on both of these products. I will tag them both for this video up at the top for you guys. Go check them out. I mean, just amazing products itself. I mean, if you wanted something, like I said, like low budget, you know, Morphe is a great brand, NARS is a great brand, but that NARS came out with has been popping ever since they released it. So yeah, you guys, I want to do this video because I literally did a Fenty Beauty versus Maybelline like about maybe a year or two ago on my channel, and it is doing numbers, but it also has like a lot of comments, so I wanted to do a more up-to-date one with better quality of camera and everything like that, you guys, because there was like a lot of comments and people were like, oh my gosh, that's not her shade, and this, and I'm like, this is my shade. I got matched up at the store, so I wanted to come on here, you guys, and do this video particularly for that reason, and also to kind of give you guys a comparison and tell you guys about some great products that you guys should be really investing into if you are trying to get into makeup or looking for like a great foundation for everyday wear or for, you know, a holiday or for special occasions. So these two are my favorites, and I keep them in my makeup bag a lot, as well as Fenty Beauty. The NARS I will not be using that much because it is expensive, and I'm just taking pride in this one right here. But as far as Morphe, I use this often because it's only 18 bucks, and I can just go and pick up another one. So, but if you guys do want to see more videos like this, drop it down below in the description below. Make sure you guys give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.